Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Okay, well, yeah, I'm back from the holidays. Yesterday I was going to go to Picket and start working on my booth, but I went into the dining room where like 90% of my stuff is stashed at this point. Not really. We've all seen the garage. But like... It was a huge mess. It has been a huge mess. It's full of Christmas stuff. It's full of all this stuff. So I started organizing and cleaning up in there yesterday and like see my table again at some point. And so that's what I did all day yesterday, and I did not turn the camera on. That's what I'm going to do again today. But I'm going to turn the camera on for you guys so you can at least see what I'm working on and I'm working with. But until I get everything kind of packed up, I can't go to Picket and work on my booth because I'm going to be taking Christmas stuff out of Picket. There's nowhere to put it. Like, there has to be somewhere for it to go. So I'm packing up bins and getting things sorted and put into bins. And then I'm putting stuff aside for donation. And it's just been... Yesterday was great, but there's still a lot more work to be done. So let's get to it. For you guys, like nothing. Didn't take any time at all, but I've been working at this like most of my day. And the table's nearly clear. I just don't know what to do with lamps. Like freaking lamps. I gotta love freaking lamps. But look at this. This is the top of the bin heap. It's over my head now. And it's 3 deep. 4. It's 4 deep on this wall. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 20 bins along this wall in my dining room that I filled up. Some of them were already kind of full, but, in a box. I'm putting the Christmas crackers in here. And then I'm going to label it Christmas crackers and chuck it out in the garage for next year. But, I mean, it's a lot, you guys. And, I mean, there's another bin there. And there's another bin there. This is the bin over here. Come this way. The one you can't see over here is the bin of stuff I got a list on Etsy. I haven't done that in forever. Y'all, it's a lot of work doing this. And I think people think, I'm going to do this and it's going to be great. And it's, you know, I just have to do some pretty setups. And let me tell you, when I say it's not just shopping, pricing, packing, and putting things in the shop, and it is, but it isn't. It's like, this is a lot of work. This thing is taller than me. Like, for real. This is the top of it. It's 2 inches taller than me. I can be killed by my inventory at this point. This is just the stuff in my dining room. I have a 2-car garage full of stuff. I have a van full of stuff. And a car, and a trunk. I don't know where my life's gone wrong. I honestly don't. That tree in the middle of the table is my daughter's, though. That is not for sale, this one right here. That was made by my mom. So that ain't going anywhere. My card display that I bought that's supposed to, you know, come apart, broke. Don't buy these. So if you're going to do like a card display of any kind, don't get anything like this where they slot in and create the little step ups. I at first thought it was a great idea. These are very thin and they break. So these pieces, like this part right here, is what broke. Because see how thin this area is and thin the wood is? Or was it down here? I don't know. But this broke. All I did was take it apart once and pack it, and now it's in pieces. I'm like, I don't even know what to do with it. And I have to keep going. I mean, so angry at myself. We're not shopping in 2025. I don't have to. I don't have to. And the thing is, the only exception will be the All City sale. Just saying, that's just one of those years things that you got to do. But I don't need to go garage selling. I don't need to go to the thrift store. 20 bins in my dining room. Full. Plus there's stuff in the store. Plus there's stuff in the other store and the other store. It's too much stuff. It is too much stuff. I had an epiphany doing this. That I don't need to go shopping. So there aren't going to be any haul videos. Don't anybody buy me anything or donate anything to me either, because I'm not taking any more. There's just no... I'm ready to back up a dumpster. I'm ready to back up a dumpster. My family threatens to do that all the time. Like, if you die, we're backing up a dumpster. I'm ready to back up the dumpster. I am so frustrated. Hi, Margo. Margo's here. She's such a good girl. I'm a good baby, but you're a good girl. She's been keeping me company through this whole thing and listening to me grouse. Now, you guys saw a few seconds of me high speed moving around, but she's had to live with the fact that I am cursing. I am cussing. And I think I am seriously gonna back up a dumpster. I have 2 bins over there full of stuff I'm donating. In a box. And I'm not even done in here. I mean, that I am 20 bins in. 23 bins in. And I have not even finished. Like, I can't get to my table yet. I'm so upset right now. I'm so upset right now. And what do you do with the lamps? There's like lamps all along that wall. There's a lamp here and a lamp there. The hell do I do with the lamps? Yeah. It's time to get rid of some stuff. It's just time to get rid of some stuff. Because I'm sitting there thinking, well, I could put it in the garage if I could get through the garage. I don't even want to think about going in there. Or the van. The van is okay. I mean, I could put the Christmas bins that are in here in the van right now and just store them until next year. I need a warehouse. I need a warehouse. I need to get rid of some stuff. I need a warehouse. This is 2 days. I thought I'd be done. I thought I'd be done yesterday. Then I thought, I'll get through it today. I lied to myself. Ugh. This is so frustrating because it's too much. It's too much. For this month at Pickett, these 5 bins here should do the trick. Don't think I'll need more than those 5 bins. Oh, you know what I see here is a Tupperware canister. Let me show you. This bag's full of Tupperware. This bag is full of Tupperware. I don't need any Tupperware. That's Tupperware. I got more in the bins. There's bins and bins full of Tupperware. I agree. Margot says it's ridiculous, and I agree. I agree, Margot. I can't let you through there. Go around. Go around. Don't you get sassy with me. What? What? Go. Shut up. Take care of my child. So, crackers. I still have to pick up the Christmas stuff from the other shops. All the shops. All the shops. And put them somewhere. Put your Tupperware. Y'all, I got nothing. I think get control of my inventory was on my list. My goals for last year. That went out the window. Not even close to having a handle on this. First of all, that's Tupperware. I thought I had all the Tupperware together. I thought, this must be all of it. No. Nope. It ain't all of it. And there's stuff in the shop. That's the part I'm annoyed with. I have to go to Picket tomorrow and start packing up the Christmas stuff because I have to reload my booth, and I took Naomi's booth for January. She needs somebody to take her booth for January, so I took it. So I have to get stuff there. I'm behind, is what I'm saying. And now I'm stressed out because this is the best I could come up with in 2 days. I was thinking we could eat at the table. We cannot. We may not ever eat at the table again. If I don't do something drastic. It may have to be drastic. Like, for real, I may have to just back up a dumpster. Start donating the crap out of stuff. I don't know. I already have 2 boxes of donations from this room alone. I should just... There won't be haul videos. Let's put it that way. There just won't. I'm going to wrap up this video. Because there's nothing more to see here except more chaos and mayhem and me crying. I will cry. I mean, for real, this is ridiculous. It's a ridiculous amount of stuff. I need a warehouse. Because there are things I know I have that I can't locate because of the whole bin situation. Now with the clear bins, I can see what's in them. This helps a lot. But there's still a lot of bins that aren't clear out there. And I have to go through them and peek into every single one of them. And it's really frustrating me. It's just time to get rid of some stuff. I don't know. Stacy needs to go on a shopping break. We're going to take a shopping break. I need to list a bunch of stuff. I need to just start clearancing the hell out of stuff. Like, I'll sell you this for $1 right now. This quilt right here, $1. Anyone? I think the next couple months at Picket is just going to be clearance, 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 clearance. Because I'm done. Like, I'm done. I have to move some stuff. All right. That's it for me today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be at Picket. Who knows how I'll feel. But, I mean, I'm a little overwhelmed right now. That doesn't mean I will be tomorrow. I won't be like, I can do this. Look at that perpetual optimism. It'll be great. Let's just clearance it all. I'm going to clearance it all. $1, $1, $1, $1. Let's just get rid of it. It's a Dollar Day sale. Stacy's having a Dollar Day sale. Everything's $1. Put, 4,000 items in at $1 each. Sell it all. $4 grand. Yay. Happy January. Right? We'll see. We'll see what I do. But I think I have enough that I could do that. Just saying. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.